the timing chain. So right here, this is the first.
Yeah, you just gotta clean everything out.
Yeah. So right here, this is the tensioner. We got one here, and then also one over here. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the place. So I had a knocking noise, but everybody was like, it's the engine. But for me, I did some researches and stuff like that, but I feel like it was not the engine. But so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you something. So right here, this is the first one. Look this one. I'm not trying to play this one right here. It don't move, right? So now it moves. So let's go back to this one right here. Right? I see it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean everything out. You know, do whatever we have to do, replace that. For me, I probably replace both of them. Feel me? So I'm gonna do both of them, replace them, and then get everything cleaned up, make sure everything's good, clean it, and that's it.